You don't remember bringing it home. That's the first sign. It's already too late. Because things like that don't arrive by accident. You were just walking. Normal day. Normal thoughts. Nothing unusual until you saw it. A teddy bear on the ground. Somewhere it didn't belong, but it felt familiar, like you had seen it before. You didn't plan to pick it up, but you did, without thinking. That's how it starts. You brought it home, placed it somewhere. Maybe a chair, maybe your bed. You don't remember exactly, but it remembers where you put it, where you looked, where you didn't. The first night, nothing happened, or at least, nothing you noticed. But something changed, very slightly. The position, the angle, the way it faced you. You ignored it. Of course you did, because it was small, harmless, just a toy. But the second night, you woke up without knowing why, that feeling of not being alone. You didn't look right away. You stayed still, listening, waiting. And then you heard it, fabric, shifting, broad, pulling tight. Right beside you, you turned slowly and saw it. Closer than before, too close, on your bed, facing you, waiting, like it knew. You would look inside. It's not reflecting, just holding something inside. Something watching what? You tried to move it, to put it away, to get rid of it. But your hands didn't feel right. Hurting, slow, like they weren't fully yours anymore. That's when it begins. Not outside, inside. You don't notice it at first. The changes, small things, stillness, silence. You stop moving as much, stop speaking, stop reacting. Because it doesn't need you to. It just needs you to stay. One morning, the room looks normal, everything in place, almost perfect, except there's no teddy bear anymore, no sign of it. Then you were, because now you're the one sitting still,